Oh, yes, good morning, my dear. You are live and direct on 88.3 City Radio in Shuti Avose. This is the morning switch, and every Friday we have the Hello Friday where we get to celebrate the stars, give them their flowers, celebrate their careers, look at the transitions they have had in their lifetime and the impact they've had on society. Welcome aboard, my dear, and thank you so much for tuning in. Now, like every other Hello Friday, we get to definitely celebrate the stars and give them their flowers while they're still here. And this time around, we are having Afrobeat, dancehall sensational artist straight out of area code 256, and he goes by the names of John Blaq. But boy, I am bus. I love this brother's sound, and he's live and direct with us on phone, straight from the suburbs of Kampala, and we're getting to get to know more about him. Now, John Blaq is gonna be with us in a couple of minutes. Just keep it locked. We'll be back shortly. Yes, now John Blaq, welcome on board. Thank you so much for taking up some time off your busy schedule. Now, for the sake of our listeners over here live and direct on 88.3 City Radio, briefly just tell us about yourself, because you have a fan base, a very big fan base here in Rwanda, and not only in Uganda where you hail from, but also here in Rwanda. So many people love your music. And of course, to follow up on that question as well, what keeps you motivated and productive as John Blaq, the artist, the superstar, the dancehall sensation?
Yo people from Kigali, Rwanda. How you doing? It's your boy John Blaq, the African boy. Yeah, I'm called Kasada John. My real name's Kasada John. I am a Msoga from Eastern Uganda. Yeah, I'm 27 years old. Yes, yeah, I am a dancehall artist, a rapper as well. I'm a versatile artist. Yes, I'm a dark boy and short and small. Yes, that's all about John Blaq, the African boy. Hope you're ready for the interview, cause I'm ready, you know. Yeah, first of all, I thank God for my talent and my voice. To be honest, I didn't know that I was different from other artists. I didn't know at first. Yeah, I thought I was like any other artist. Yes, till one of the producers just me out of the studio, because he was like, man, I don't understand your voice. Your voice is too heavy. Your voice is too deep. You can't sing. Maybe I'd never seen something like that. So when he told me that I can't sing, he told me that I have a frog-voiced voice, that my voice is like for a frog. So we fought. I was like, oh, this guy doesn't understand my voice. So when I went to another producer, that's Daddy Andre, that's when he listened to my voice, it was like, this is what I've been looking for. This voice is unique. Because me, when I was practicing and doing vocal drills and stuff, I was singing Mose Radio songs. I was imitating radio, Mose Radio, RIP to the legend. So I thought that maybe my voice, I thought that maybe a little bit I sounded like Mose Radio. But this producer told me that, man, your voice is unique. It's very, very unique, and it has never been on the market. You are the first with this voice. That's when I got to know that my voice was unique. And when I released that song, it was called Romantic. When I released that song, everyone was intrigued. They was like, man, this song, this boy is unique. Everything on him is unique, man. People fell in love with my voice. That's when I got to know that my voice was very unique. But I thank God for that, because I got this voice, like, you know, this heavy voice when I just joined my secondary school. Maybe it changed because of adolescent, and it never went back. So I thank God for that. Yeah.
That is very interesting. I like that. Now, what inspires John Blaq to pursue this career and this profession? And of course, have you been to Rwanda before? Do you have any upcoming projects and collaborations that you're planning to put out? I've been seeing you have a lot of work. You have some new projects and some new upcoming hit records, and you've been traveling overseas. The last time I checked, you were in Dubai. You had a tour. And are we expecting to see John Blaq come through to Kigali, Rwanda, perform, do some collaborations, or any projects that you feel comfortable disclosing right now?
Yeah, yes, of course. I have so many upcoming projects. I have a project right now I've just released a collabo with a Ugandan female artist. She's called Pia Pounds, the one who sang to party, trended to party. We have a project, it's called Style. and it's really doing well. The site, it's really doing well. Then I have another project with Ibra from Tanzania. I have a project with Ibra. I have a project with Praise. So I have so many projects coming soon. I just want to work with one of the Rwandan artists, man. I haven't gotten that chance. I only have one song from Rwanda. That's with Weasel. Yeah. But I'm really planning, and we're working so hard to make sure that we also get some good songs from Rwanda. Yes, my brother. Yeah, the key qualities and skills, I think first you must know how to sing, because if you don't know how to sing, I don't think you remain long in the industry. I don't think you sustain it if you don't know how to sing. Second, you must know how to write, man. You must know how to write. You must be a writer. Try so hard, because if you don't know how to write, they will just give you crap, man, and you have nothing to do because you don't know how to write. Then the third one, you must invest in, man. You must invest in your craft. If fans are buying your music, you're also, the only way you can pay back to the fans is doing some good production, shooting some good video, doing some good production, mastering the songs. Then the fourth one, man, you must be consistent. I understand sometimes things are hard, not that every song will be a hit, but my brother or my sister, try to be consistent. Try to be consistent. It really helps. Don't take long to release music. Yes, that's what I can tell you. And all in all, man, put God first, because we can do all this. We've seen so many people, they have money, they've really tried to impress their fans, but fans have failed. They have refused because they don't have that favor from God. So we need a favor from God. We need a blessing from God. Yes, my brother.
Okay. Now, with that said, John Blaq, let me ask you this. What are the key qualities and the skills needed for one to excel in this field, in this music industry? You being a stakeholder in this industry and representing and waving and running with the flag high and making your country, Uganda, proud as upstanding artists and outstanding artists, and you have a say. So what are some of the key qualities that you have discovered along the way, the journey of music, that you would share with a youth out there ready to also start the career? And of course, what advice would you share to the youth, to someone ready to start out in the industry, or let's say the younger version of John Blaq before you started out in 2018? What would be that one thing you would want to share? Piece of advice.
Yeah, my advice to the rising artist, to the rising generation, is that they should be patient. First of all, they should believe in themselves. I know sometimes you are only alone in it. Even your family members don't want to know, because all they want to know is, are you going to school? Are you performing well in school? That's all they want to know. Even if you tell them that I can do football, I am good at football, African parents, oh, they will never allow you to do it, and they will never support you. There are few parents, and respect to the parents who really listen to their kids. But if your parents are not listening to you, you must fight. You must make sure that you believe in yourself, because the moment you don't believe in yourself, you've lost that. So believe in yourself, put God first, and try so hard to look for the connections of what you're doing, the people in that line. If you are an artist, try to look for some good producers. Please try and work hard for it. Starve for it. You understand? Because so many artists, they are not committed. They really want to make it up there, but they don't want to invest in production. They are waiting for the manager to come and put money in them. My friend, the manager will not just come. You understand? He must find you when you have already done something. You find them with smartphones worth $1 million, but they can't invest in a production of 300,000 or 500,000. But you find them with a nice phone, with a nice shoe, nice clothing and stuff, but they can't invest in their craft. My brother, first invest in your craft. As you wait for the manager, you should also fight for yourself. You understand? And put God first in each and everything you do. You understand? Yes. Yeah, that's money. Money is really challenging. Money. My brother, we really want to go to cross borders. I also want to be like Nigerians, because you find them in London, they are doing media tours in London, they are doing media tours in Europe, they are going to America and everywhere. But man, this side, the money we get is only enough for our small needs here. That's why you find people asking, fans complaining, for you guys are not like Nigerians, you are not like this one, you are not like this one. Those guys investing a lot of money. First of all, we have names, so people think we are famous. Of course we are famous, but that comes with a lot of stuff. So people think that because you're famous, you must have money. You understand? I really want to cross borders. Because I believe my voice can make it to the world. But pushing it out there, it needs money. And the only market where we're collecting money is from Uganda. And even when we go to Europe or where to perform in diaspora, we are only performing for our Ugandans that side. We are not doing any activations, like real activations. So really, man, we need money to push this thing. You understand, my brother? So the most critical part is money, man. We really want to push it to the world, but funds, we lack funds, man. Cause you must take care of your family, you must take care of yourself as an artist. You need to parent and stuff. Oh Lord, you need to shoot videos. So at the end of the day, the balance is very small like this. It can't take you anywhere. Yeah.
Okay, that's very understandable. Let's move on, my dear. Now, I have a very peculiar question I want to ask you. Given the state and the situation of what's happening in Uganda, especially for the music fraternity, and you still, like I said before, you're a stakeholder. You have a credible information and credible stand to say and have your peace of mind, because you've uplifted the industry in one way or another. Muganda agamba waliwo ettaffaali yoyongeddeko ku muziki gwe Kampala gwe Uganda okutwaliza awamu. So what are your thoughts on the future of the profession as a musician, as a creative? I'm going to begin with Uganda and of course Africa and the globe at large, because you're now an international act. Yeah? And then again, how does one would be interested to know, like John Blaq, how do you balance your personal life and your professional life? You being a celebrity, I've encountered with you once, but it was pretty interesting seeing you mix and mingle still with your fan base. How do you do it as John Blaq with the coming of age and the career, the journey since 2018? How do you balance the personal life to the professional life? The real John Blaq to the character John Blaq.
Yo, my brother, to be honest, I really, our industry, man, things are not okay. To be honest, things are not okay. And what I'm saying in the future is that still music is going to crumble. It's still going to struggle. Our music industry is not growing. Okay, we're trying so hard as artists, but the system is not supporting us. The system is not on our side. And right now we've mixed music with politics. Man, it has made it worse, to be honest. Now music and politics are like this in Uganda. So as an artist like me, a young artist who is still, expecting more from the music, I'm looking at investments. I really want to do some things, besides music, because the way I'm seeing our music, unless when we cross the borders, when it goes to the African level, it's different. But still we need the system to be right, to the music to push us to the African market. Because so many people are like, why are Ugandan artists not doing this? Why are Ugandan artists not doing this? It's because of the system, man. Our copyright law, we've been fighting for the copyright law, but whoever they see is fighting, like whenever they see someone fighting for the copyright and stuff, someone like spearheading the campaign, they get that person, they bribe them, and they keep quiet. You understand? So everything in Uganda is political. So as an uprising artist, because I'm still rising, man, I think it's all about investments. I just have to do some investments so that if things are not well in future, at least I have something else I'm earning money from. Something like real estate, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at real estate. Yeah, because right now, man, things are not right. And the one I'm seeing, each and every day that passes, they are just, man, The money is just reducing in the industry. Not how it's not how it used to be like in 2018 or 2019. Every year, each year that passes, things are just getting more worse. Things are getting political everywhere. So as an artist, I think you must be wise. At least if you get some little money, you must spend it wisely, first of all. Second, you must invest it wisely, because there is doing investments and you're not gonna earn from them in future. So I'm looking at the real estate business, I'm looking at farming. So even if things are not moving on well, I will still have, something supporting me and my family here as well. Yes, my brother. But let's hope and let's pray that everything gets right. Yeah, let's pray that the system gets right still, and they get know that there is a lot of money in the industry, because we give them tax and stuff. But I think, man, the system is crazy, man. They don't want to see artists rising, man. The political stuff, yeah, but that's all. Yeah, first of all, you must have discipline. Because this life we're living, man, this celebrity life, sometimes, man, it also it crosses and then it comes to our personal life. But if it does so, you must be humble, you must be calm, because sometimes you don't want fans to disturb you. But if they see you, you have nothing to do. You have to say hi to them, and you have to interact with them, because, man, God blessed you. Not that everyone is blessed that way. But if I really don't want people to disturb me, and I just want to live my life, or if when I'm stepping out and I don't want people to get into me a lot, I cover myself. I put a mask on myself, and I'm like, now this is my life. What I'm going to do, I don't want people to disturb me. You understand? But still, some fans, they will recognize you, and when they recognize you, you must be cool, because that's the life you chose, man. Yeah, so if I don't want people to see me, that's how I run my stuff. I be private. I use another car, private car, not this label car, where everyone will know that that's John Blaq. Then second, I have time for everything. When it's time for business, it's for business. When it's time for my personal life, I'm home chilling, or somewhere with my guys, in those hideout where there are a lot of people disturbing. Yes, my brother.
Okay, John Blaq, my dear, thank you so much for taking up some time with us as well over here and talking to your Rwandan fan base. It has been quite an interesting and exciting interview. I hope to do this again some more time. But before I let you go, I just can't let you go like that. I want to know, what is that one word you want to learn in Kinyarwanda, and I'll teach you right now. That next time when you come to Rwanda officially to perform, to do some collaboration, to mix and mingle, to enjoy your Rwandan crowd and fan base, that you will personally tell them yourself in Kinyarwanda. Bulira nkugambe sawa zino kuyigiza Kinyarwanda muganda wange.
Yeah, if there is a word I would want you to teach me, I think that would be thank you. I want to learn how they say thank you in Kinyarwanda. Thank you. Because Rwanda people are very, very hospitable. They are very nice people. So I just want to appreciate them for the love they have been showing to John Blaq, for everything. So even when I come, I want to thank those people. Thank you. Because everywhere we go, you must thank people. You must be good to each other. And I know when you tell someone thank you, there's a way to make them feel. It's really, really, really a good gesture. So I want you to teach me how they say thank you in Kinyarwanda. And I want to thank you also in Kinyarwanda for hosting me, my brother. Yes, my brother. Murakoze cyane.
Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom! How you doing, my dear? My name's Big Tony, and you're live and direct on 88.3 City Radio in City of All State. Guess what? I have a new campaign for you. Tune in every Friday, 7 a.m. straight to 11 a.m. as we celebrate your superstars and give them their flowers while they're still here. We do that every single Friday. Yeah? So make sure you tell a friend to be part of the show. My name's Big Tony, and I'm always excited to be doing this with your favorite superstars. You let me know how you feel about it. Make sure you tune in every single Friday. The party starts early in the morning. And live video mixing by the one and only DJ sing on the ones and twos, the Turntable Terrorists. It gets no better. It's a new campaign. Tell a friend and tell a friend once again. You heard? I see you.